from Chennai. I'm an engineer by education, but I've been working in the shoe field for the past 3 years. And I came to Arsutoria last September to understand more the field that I was working in, because I never had a background in footwear or the technical knowledge on how footwear was made. So I was just working with communications. So now I want to get into the field on a deeper technical role. So that's why I came to Arsutoria. So I've taken the shoe 1-year diploma. So the classes started with the traditional pattern making for traditional shoes, which was really a technical course, because as a person who's been working in the industry, I never knew why certain things were done that way, but since taking this course, I can understand why those things were done and what the norms are with the industry. And it was really eye-opening for me, because I was working with no prior knowledge of this. So it was really okay. So during the end of the pattern making course, we have to make a prototype. So I chose a lady's pump. It's a simple pump. So the point of us making this prototype is to put into use what we learned during the pattern making course. So we have to understand that there is always a trial and error process in the making of shoes. So the whole idea is to reduce the number of trials and errors. So when you make a prototype, you understand where you can go wrong and what the crucial elements into shoemaking are. So when we're making it, we come into contact with technicians who show us how each step of the process of making a shoe is done, how stitching is done, how molding is done. So you get a full idea of how much work goes into making a pair of shoes. It's not just the drawing, it's not just the patterns, it's not just what you see in the shop. There's a lot of steps involved, but while making your shoe, you understand how you can make it better. So that's the whole point of this. I love this pair of shoes. It's not much, but I just love this pair of shoes. I'm sorry, but it's just amazing because I made it, so I loved it. Okay, so we started with a totally new software called iCAD 3D, which is a 3D software, which was the first time I was using it, and it's something I feel is going to be very crucial to the industry in the next few years, because people waste a lot of money making samples. Now with the software that we're learning now, we can model it in 3D and show our customers beforehand why and how their designs or their ideas look. So this is a very important software that we learned here, and I feel it's very important for the industry to adapt to that software. So then we moved to Rhino, which is again a universally used software with designing soles. It can go on from designing soles to designing fans, but the fact that you learn these 3D modeling softwares is going to help you down the industry, because we're moving into an age of virtual reality and 3D modeling. So understanding to show your ideas in a 3D model is very important for the industry. Well, now that I'm reaching the end of my course, I feel that I've learned almost everything technical to the art of shoemaking. So now I'm doing my design part, which is an artistic part of the course, and you meet a lot of designers. You understand their outlook towards how you design shoes. It's not just drawings, it's not just inspiration, it's how you interpret certain things and put it into making of a shoe. It's just not drawing beautiful pictures. So with the completion of my course, I want to do something called product development, and that is something where you take the ideas of a creator or a designer and make it possible for them to make a shoe out of it. Not many people do this, because people are either designers or people are either the technical side of the field, but there's nobody joining these two facts and understanding the needs of the designer and the needs of the producer is very vital, because I have firsthand seen the production of shoes. So I've seen what are the problems that production people go through, because the designer is either too fancy or too artistic with his designs. There's a balance that has to be maintained between the artistic value and the production value of a shoe. So I want to be that bridge joining the artist and the producer. So That's what I came to learn, and I feel that I've accomplished that.